Guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Leonardo AI real-time canvas. So before we start, if you want to learn more, you can check the description down below. And if you want to open this real-time canvas, you can open from the main page from Leonardo AI, and you can choose for real-time canvas to create and transform your sketch into art into real time. So let's start. So basically, you need to sketch your image and also type for your prompt to generate out image from AI. First, we will take an example to draw a Christmas tree. So we can just draw the tree first. So basically, you can choose your color. I will draw a 3-layer Christmas tree as our example. So you will have real-time generate at the side. You can take that as a reference and draw for the branch down below. And after that, I have a simple Christmas tree. You can just type your prompt to help the AI to recognize the image. So the image will generate out after I type my prompt, and you can play around with the prompt to make your image more realistic. Besides, you also can add maybe I can add some others. I can use the red color to make the gift box at the bottom, and I also can revise my prompt. So the AI will self-generate out image, and besides, you also can adjust for the creativity strength. The higher the creativity strength, the more detailed your image. So as you can see, this is a quite nice image, Christmas tree that I generate out. And also you can choose for the style of the image. This all the style you can explore yourself. And also you can increase the brush to have a more thicker, but it is the same. So basically that's all for real-time canvas to generate sketch with prompt to an image. That's all for today. Thank you very much.